In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export orders from your Shopify store using a few simple steps. Exporting orders can be really useful for keeping track of your sales, analyzing data, or even for meeting accounting needs. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, you need to log into your Shopify store. This will take you to the home page of your store's admin panel. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see several options in the side menu. What you're going to do next is click on Orders. This option will allow you to view all the orders that have been placed in your store, giving you a comprehensive look at your sales activity. Now that you've navigated to the Orders section, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen where you see the Export button. Clicking on this button will bring up several options regarding the data you wish to export. From here, select Current Page. This option will ensure that you're about to export the data visible on the page you're currently viewing. Next, you have to decide how much order data you'd like to export. Click on All Orders if you want to export every single order that's been made in your store. But if your intent is to be more selective, click on Selected 0 Orders. This choice allows you to be more specific about which orders you'd like to export. Should you be interested in exporting only certain orders that match particular search criteria, look for the 3 orders matching your search option. Picking this will let you work with a more refined data set. That's a handy feature when you're focusing on a specific segment of orders. After you've chosen your selection criteria, you'll be prompted to decide how you want to sort these orders. Click on Orders by Date if you want them organized in chronological order. It's particularly useful if you're dealing with many transactions over a lengthy period. Now, you need to choose the format for your exported file. Click on the CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs option. This format is universally compatible and is perfect for transferring the data into the various spreadsheet applications where you can manipulate and analyze it further. Finally, with all of your options chosen, click Export Orders. This action will trigger the generation of your order data in the CSV format, which will then be sent to your registered email or made ready for download directly from the Shopify platform. You now have all the resources you need to effectively manage and analyze your order data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully exported orders from your Shopify store. This process can be repeated as often as necessary to keep your records up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.